Masters of Ceremony, Ma'am Jenny Puyos and Ma'am Janellen Sicoya, to our Chair of Board of Trustees, to our guest speaker, Doc Ernesto Hamoral, to our Senior Vice President, COO Maria Victoria Veralio G. Hamoral Lumibaw, our School Administrator, Sir Perfecto Prias Jr., Dean of College of Teachers Education, Dr. Corazon Mondelo, Dean of Computer Studies, Sir Edsel Monsalod, Dean of College of Hospitality and Tourism Management, Ma'am Shalom Faye Humawas, Dean of College of Physical Therapy, Sir Richard Pedrosa, Basic Ed Principal or ST Supervisor, Sir Tadeo Barangan, Dean of Student Affairs and Services, Ma'am Consuelo Analo Cobrado, Dean of Midwifery, Ma'am Marabilia, and Dean of Student Affairs, SSG President, Sir Ivan Urag, distinguished guests, parents, friends, and my fellow graduates, good evening. To speak in front of the big crowd is the most unexpected thing that has ever happened in my life. This night, I stand before you as a proof to the enduring strength and faith that guides us through life challenges. The words of Philippians chapter 4:10, verses 13, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me, resonate deeply within me. These words encapsulate the essence of my journey as a mother of 4 kids, striving to continue my studies amidst the responsibilities and demands of motherhood. I still remember those times when I stopped working because my company was closed due to COVID-19 pandemic that we all experienced before. My husband and I decided to continue my studies. At first, I really didn't have someone whom I knew, so everything was new to me. Each day presents my own set of obstacles, my own trials to overcome. Balancing the roles of a mother, a student, and a provider for my family is no easy feat. There are moments of doubt, moments of extreme tiredness, moments when the weight of responsibilities seems too heavy to bear. Most especially sa times nga 5 jud mi ang nangiskwela. Na ako'y estudyante nga college usa, na ako'y estudyante nga senior high usa, ug naa po ko'y duha ka estudyante which is elementary. Then which dili unifast ang akong college nga student. So dako kayo na akong struggles, sacrifices, most especially sa financial. As a mother, kay ikaw man jud ang mag-atiman nila nga tanan. So unahon jud nimo ang mga needs sa imong mga anak ug usa pang imong mga assignments. So naay time nga matulog na lang ko og 1 hour or only 2 hours ang akong tulog. So nakaana ko sa akong kabalingon, kaya pa ba nako ni? Malampos kaha ko ani? Unsa kaha mo padayon ko aning pag-eskwela or dili? Pero dako kay nakong pasalamat sa akong bana ug sa akong family nga gi-challenge gi ko niya nga kaya ra na nimo ug mahuman ra ka ug tuod nahuman ra ko. Dahil ang ako sang anak nahuman na last year, ni graduate na siya og college. Then last April 28 and April 29 ni take siya og board examination and last May 6 ni gawas ang result. Ug dako kayo na akong kalipay nga ang akong anak usa na ka board passer. She is now a licensed midwife. She is now a professional. Dako kay na akong pasalamat sa Ginoo nga ang akong tanang pag-ampo ug ang tanang kahago na nga akong mga pangandoy sa akong mga anak nga nakap-ot ragyod, nagbunga ragyog dako. I turn to faith, to the belief that with God, strength and guidance, all the things are possible. And I want to say thank you, FRB College, for nurturing quality education and providing a supportive and enriching learning environment. Ug ato man jud nasaksihan nga daghan ta og board posters usa na ang akong anak. Thank you for continuous dedication and empowering the next generation to quality education. As I navigate the challenges of raising a family, pursuing my education, and striving for a better future, I am reminded of the resilience, determination that define me. I drew strength from the love and support of my husband, especially financial needs, and children who inspire me to push forward, to never give up on my dreams, and to show them the power of perseverance and dedication. My journey as a mother, a student, a dreamer is filled with ups and downs, with moments of triumph and moments of struggle. But through it all, I hold into the belief that I am capable, that I am strong, and that I can overcome any obstacle that comes my way. With faith as my guide and determination as my compass, I press on, knowing that the path to success is paved with hard work, resilience, and faith. To all the mothers who are students out there, handling several things at once, doing multiple tasks, feeling challenges head-on, and striving for a better future, themselves and their families. I say this, you are not alone. You are capable of achieving greatness, of pursuing your dreams, and of making a difference in the world. Let us embrace the words of Philippians as our source of strength, as a reminder with faith, determination, and perseverance. We can conquer obstacles and emerge stronger, wiser, and more resilient than ever before. Together, let us continue to inspire, to uplift, and to empower one another on the path of greatness. Thankfully, I met the most incredible people who become part of my college journey. To our FLB College family, to our school administrator, Sir Prefecto Prias, thank you, sir, for always encouraging and trusting me. Your support has truly meant a lot. To our City Dean, Doc Corazon Mondelo, Doc, your leadership and mentorship have inspired me to reach new heights, to push beyond my limits, and to strive for excellence in all that I do. Your words of wisdom, your never-ending support, and your commitment to nurturing the potential of every student have left an everlasting mark on my academic and personal growth. To my student teacher supervisor, Sir Tadeo Barangan, Sir, I extend my deepest gratitude for the mentorship, guidance, and trust you have bestowed upon me during my time under your supervision. Your dedication to shaping the next generation of educators, your passion for teaching, and your commitment to excellence have been a source of inspiration for me. And also your mentorship have been invaluable in my growth as a student, as a future educator, and as an individual striving for personal and professional excellence. Your feedback, your insights, and your support have equipped me with the skills, knowledge, and confidence to navigate the challenges of the teaching profession with grace and resilience. To all my professors and mentors during first year college until now, who imparted their knowledge, guided me through the process, supported me, and also helped me mold my character to become not just a good student, but also a good leader. Thank you for being the beacons of inspiration, pillars of support, and champions of excellence in my educational pursuits. Your impact in my life and my future endeavors will forever be cherished and remembered with gratitude. Thank you so much, Ma'am and Sirs, from the bottom of my heart. To the principal of Binabag Elementary School, Ma'am Gia Ochea, and your companions, Ma'am, thank you for the warm welcome, support, and invaluable learning experiences that you have provided us during our time as pre-service teachers at your school. Thank you, Ma'am, for opening your doors to us, for sharing your knowledge, and expertise, and making our time a truly enriching and memorable experience. Moreover, I would like to thank my friends, my fighter friends, who became my companions for 4 years, my cheerleader, my greatest supporter, and also my company of different unplanned travels, which we also enjoyed. This word, our word, laban lang, serves as our motto to continue amid tiring days, hectic schedules, deadlines, and most especially when we are nothing, down physically, emotionally, and financially. Our journey has not been easy. But with our motto, laban lang, we have pushed through the toughest of times. Together, we have proven that nothing is impossible when we stand united, supporting and encouraging one another at every step of the way. In moments of doubts and uncertainty, you are there to remind me of my capabilities and to push me beyond my limits. Your belief in me has given me the strength to persevere, even when the road seemed treacherous. Your faith in our dreams has inspired me to reach the stars and never settle for anything less than extraordinary. In moments of doubt, we have shared countless late nights, study sessions, making our activities and assignments, and also making our thesis nga maudjud ang pinakabugat sa tanan nga mauli na lang tag tungang gabi sa sige natog hinimuay sa atong thesis. Then thank you lang pud kaayo sa atong tig-rescue during nga mamauli na ta. Bisag nangaluya na ta, pero finally, we made it. Nabuhat na to tanan o nalampos na to tanan na to mga buluhaton. The bonds we have forged are unbreakable, and I am confident that we will continue to grow stronger as we step forward in the next chapter of our lives. As we stand here this evening on achieving our dreams, I want to celebrate not only our individual accomplishments, but also the collective success we have achieved as a group. We have supported each other, challenged each other, and pushed each other to become the best versions of ourselves. I am so very thankful that we made it. To my classmates and fellow graduates, thank you so much for the shared memories we had, the laughter we shared, the dreams we created, and the different activities that we have accomplished because of our collaboration with each other makes us who we are now. Lingian yung kilid o kuhita. O pasalamatin ninyo. Friends, salamat. Salamat sa imong mga tabang. Nga nalampos na karon, ni ata karong gabi una nga ni-graduate. Thank you sa mga nitabang ninyo nga friends. Pasalamati. Okay. Thank you sa mga friends and sa mga classmates and schoolmates. As we gather here on the threshold of a new chapter in our lives, it is impossible not to reflect on the journey that has brought us to this moment. Each one of us has faced unique challenges and triumphs during our time at this esteemed institution. From late night studying to unforgettable moments of camaraderie with friends, we have grown in ways we never thought possible. This evening marks the culmination of years of our hard work, dedication, and perseverance. We stand here not only as individuals, but as a collective treatment to power of education and the pursuit of excellence. As we look back on the memories we have, let us also look forward with optimism and determination. As we step out in the world beyond this, we carry with us the knowledge, skills, and experiences that will shape our future. Whether we pursue further education and enter the workforce or on new adventures, let us never forget the lessons we have learned here and the values that have guided along this way. Congratulations to us. We did it. Thank you so much, Father God, for the greatest blessings of all. We are able to achieve our dreams. Once again, congratulations, Batch 2023, Batch 2024. Congratulations and thank you.
Thank you,